All right, so I'm here with Fred today, and
I'm Fred.
questions.
Okay.
Now, what is your position here at the dealership?
I am a master tech. I've been a master tech for going on 14 years. I've been working for Harley Davidson for 25.
All at this dealership, or?
I started at Harley Davidson, Maryland, worked for a few other dealerships, worked at this dealership when it was first built, and went to a couple of other dealerships, and I've been back here for the last 2 years.
Cool. Now, one of the things that Fred does, Fred is doing something really cool today, but he shows us how to properly do these things most of us are never going to do. If you look around, and I'm going to show you real fast, we've got the bike tore apart. And Fred's going to tell us a little bit about what's happening to this bike behind us.
We're taking a 2023 Street Glide, and we're taking the 114 engine out of it and putting a 135 Harley Davidson crate motor into it.
Now, this is probably a dumb question, but why Street Glide, not Road Glide?
Well, the Street Glide's a little easier to work on. The Road Glide's a little harder because of the fairing, the way it's bolted to the frame of the bike gets in the way, where this is a little up higher and it's out of the way for like oil lines, the oil cooler fan, and things like that that are at the front of the bike.
Okay. Now, I was told by somebody if I ever did something like this where I put a 135 in, I should put a chain drive on because I have a trike. Now, Harley right now is saying I can't do it, which is fine, but would you suggest putting a chain drive on something you put that much power on?
I don't, only because I haven't seen too many of them, so I don't know how that bike's going to react to a chain as compared to a belt. The reason you can't go with a bigger motor is because it always snaps the belts.
Okay. Well, I really appreciate you talking to us, and I'm going to be filming you as you put the last parts of this together. I wish I'd have had time the last 2 weeks to see it come apart and put it to where it is now. Fred, thank you very much.
You're very welcome. Okay, hang on.
Okay. I'm glad you have this. Glad you have this when I discolor the other one.
How about now?
Trying to get this washer past. We got it started, but now she's pressed up against the frame. Still like
She can't complain, but she does.
Give you a better feel for the ride. Okay. Work. Definitely work. All about the work.
I'll wait till I get the prom area on this one. I'll let them worry about it. Over there. But thank you.
no problem, sir.
Not bad.
No, I'm good. Thank you.
If you need anything, just call me.
I will.
Bring any other stuff.
Yeah. Thanks.
When you doing that? Put some clutches in there, huh? Put some clutches in. Stay. That's what I'm telling you about. The thing you just explained me? I'm not a gentleman myself.